Honey, I'm trying to capture a moment.
Just wants to mug for the camera.
She's like, wait, it's my cue.
Look at this, honey.
Lights, camera, action. What's the dog?
The end. We read it all. We read it all.
Daphne, what's an elephant say? No, what sounds an elephant make?
Should I read this one now?
She's too distracted.
Happy.
It's okay. Where's the banana? That's
Yay!
right. Let's make sure she
and
knows.
then duck.
Where's the banana? That's the apple.
She
Maybe
got
you
it right
just...
the first
Yeah, she did. She usually does. Now she likes to point at everything. Where's the ball? There it is.
Yay!
That's a duck.
That's a ball.
Where are the shoes?
Shoes.
Flower? I don't know if she knows flower yet. Fish? No, fire engine. Yeah, fire truck. Where's the car that says beep, beep? Beep, beep, beep. Car. There's a duck. That's right, good girl. Fish? Where's the teddy bear? Do you see a teddy bear? It's on a different page.
Yay!
Sleeping boy.
Yeah. Good work. Where's the banana? Where is the banana? Yay!
Good girl. I don't know that she knows orange yet. I'm trying to teach her.
There's cheese.
She knows what cheese is, but it doesn't look like that when she gets it. It's in a
It's a
stick.
cheese hog.
Daphne, what sound does an elephant make? What, is your little snout broken? That's what it sounds like.
I wonder why she won't do it.
She's tired. She was doing it in the car. Daphne, what sound does an elephant make? Okay, just ignore me. It's alright, I'll get used to it. You'll be doing it for the next 18 plus years.
Daphne, where's your belly?
That's
Yay!
Where are your ears? There
Yay.
you go. Where's your nose? Good girl.
Wow.
Where's your mouth?
Oh my gosh.
Mwah, mwah, mwah. Good girl.